Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can extend the time to the screen timeout here at the CMF Phone 1. For that we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have always here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to go to the point display, and here you're having the point screen timeout. By default it's 30 seconds, and now you can increase it or decrease it. So let me increase it to 2 minutes here. I recommend to you to don't take more, because the screen is taking the most energy here for the battery. And what's also important, I think it's here to enable here the screen attention, like in my case, even if it isn't enabled, enable it, because the camera is detecting if your eyes are on the screen, and then the screen is still turned on. Okay, this is how you can do that. And I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.